What if I told you your flashlight app might know where you live? Sounds crazy? It happens more often than you'd think. Let's uncover why apps ask for so many permissions and which ones you should never approve blindly. Before we begin, hit subscribe if you enjoy simple tech explainers like this. Every app asks for permissions before it can access certain features on your phone. Camera, microphone, location, contacts, storage, we've all seen these. Think of permissions as keys to different rooms inside your phone. Some apps genuinely need these keys to work properly. Google Maps can't navigate without knowing your location. Instagram can't upload photos without camera or gallery access. Voice recorder obviously needs your microphone. In these cases, the permission actually matches the app's purpose. But then things get interesting. Why does a calculator app need your location? Or a flashlight asking for your microphone? Sometimes it's because developers collect extra data. More data means better targeted advertisements. Companies also study how people use their apps. Some permissions genuinely improve your experience. But every permission comes with a privacy trade-off. Your location can reveal where you live, work, and travel. Your contacts expose information about other people too. Here are some warning signs. The permission doesn't match what the app actually does. The app asks for everything immediately after installation. It refuses to work unless you allow unrelated permissions. The good news: modern phones give you much more control. Choose Allow only while using the app whenever possible. Share approximate location instead of your exact location if you can. One-time permissions are even better for sensitive apps. Review app permissions every few months. Remove permissions from apps you rarely use. Better yet, uninstall apps you no longer need. Ask yourself one simple question every time. Does this permission actually help the app do its job? If the answer is no, think twice before tapping allow. If this changed the way you look at app permissions, like this video and subscribe for more simple tech explainers.